What if you could run every stock on the Nasdaq through an AI engine and ask it which one is about to move? Well, I did, and it gave a set of technical rules, no emotions, no news bias, just raw price data. And out of 100 stocks, it came back with one chart, and that is Palantir. Let me show you exactly what it saw. I gave the AI screener the following conditions. It must be trading under resistance. It must be trading above the 21 EMA, showing that intermediate longer term trend. And the volume must be rising on green days and fading on red. And it has to be above a key area of resistance. Additionally, I didn't tell it what sector to look for, nor did I say tech or AI. And yet, it found Palantir almost like it knew. Something interesting to note here is that Palantir is tied to AI, defense, government contracts, big picture names, and this setup is appearing now in the middle of macro uncertainty. It tells you where the smart money might be rotating before the rest catches on. This isn't just a trade idea, it's a signal. And if we analyze this name on a daily chart thoroughly, we can see that we are extremely bullish. We have held above areas of support here, which were the $63 level here and the $72 level around there. Something to note is that we are above the 50 MA, showing buyer exuberance and that they are in control of the trend right now. As well, something that I really like is that if you plot this swing high anchored VWAP, getting the average price in which the shorts enter the name at that high, we are above it, showing that they are collectively, on average, losing money. And this is a bullish sign, as this will make them most likely to cover back their shares and cause this double buying, making the price go up higher. And this also shows that the buyers that came in here, the screen anchored VWAP, overwhelmed the sellers, right? They came and they held the levels. So the setup is, in order to be long this name, I'll be looking throughout this week for the name to hold above this key area of support that is confluating between the swing high anchored VWAP, the swing low anchored VWAP, the green from when the buyers came in, and the 50 MA. Basically, it holds the $87 level and holds above the swing high. We're absolutely looking long on this name. All we would need is to have approximately one more candle, and that would be to go to the upside, because this is a time-based strategy. If we allow the buyers to really filter out, then we can enter the name towards the long side with a clear stop at these levels of 74, and if you want more risk, bump it up to 66. And these are important levels because they are important higher lows, right? They're the most recent and relevant higher lows, showing that buyers are more willing to defend those levels. So it's a good place to place our stop. Now, price targets towards the upside are going to be, we can challenge the highs again of 124, and we can plot Fibonacci retracements to calculate the upside. So plot from this high towards the low, and before we get overextended, the price target is towards 160. Obviously, this all depends on the overall macro conditions of the market and the news, but this stock is setting up extremely well and is more bullish than the entire Nasdaq. You don't believe me? Well, let's look at the Nasdaq on a daily chart. It is absolutely below the 50. It's failed the swing high anchored VWAP. It's bounced, but it's extremely bearish compared to Palantir. This shows us that even though after the strong declines, the stock is still holding and that institutions have a special interest in this name. So, if you're watching Palantir, or if you have this chart under your radar, drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you want more setups like this, as the breakout happens, subscribe and join the Uplift Markets newsletter, which link is in the description. As always, stay sharp, stay uplifted, and don't let the markets whip you out.